Hello everyone, we are Group 26. I'm Lu Xinyu, and the other members of our groups are Li Tingting, Jiang Rui, Lin Kexin, and Li Mengjie. The topic we choose for our research is a study on the spread of social media rumors during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now I will explain why we choose it. Firstly, this topic is highly relevant to society. During the COVID-19 pandemic, social media became a major channel for information sharing. The study of rumor dissemination spans fields such as communication, psychology, and public health, and is closely related to science communication. Moreover, this research has significant practical value. By analyzing the patterns of rumor dissemination, it can help governments optimize information release mechanisms, guide media's platforms to improve systems, strengthen rumor control, and enhance public media literacy and information discernment skills. Finally, this topic is highly meaningful for improving crisis communication management. It combines sociological importance and practical value, making it worthy of deep exploration. Now I will explain our abstract. The study focuses on the spread and impact of rumors on social media during the special period of pandemic through a comprehensive application of methods such as literature research, case analysis, and data statistics. It found that rumors on social media during the pandemic are characterized by rapid spread, wide scope, and diverse types, covering various aspects such as health prevention, material supply, and pandemic data. These rumors have had a significant impact on public perception, social order, and pandemic prevention and control effects. At the public level, rumors have missed the epidemic prevention behaviors of some people, training unnecessary pandemic and on society. In terms of social order, they have distributed the normal market order, leading to pandemic about buying supplies and price going. For pandemic prevention and control work, rumors have interfered with the effective dissemination of official information, reducing the public's trust and cooperation with epidemic prevention policies. The study further explores the influencing factors of rumor spread, including information uncertainty, public epidemic, and the communication characteristics of social media, and the lack of media literacy among some netizens. Based on the research results, targeted strategies are proposed, such as strengthening information resource, enhancing public media literacy, and improving the supervision mechanism of social media platforms to effectively curb the spread of rumors and social media during the pandemic, reduce their negative impact, and provide a reference for creating a health information dissemination environment and facilitating pandemic prevention and control work.
Today, I'm going to talk about four big challenges related to misinformation about pandemic. We are taking a look at why people believe rumors, how social media influence the spread of information, the role of culture and media, and how we can effect combat misinformations. Let's dive in. The first challenge is understanding why people trust and share rumors. During COVID-19, misinformation caused fear and harmful behavior. While we know emotion like fear play a role, we still lack a deep understanding of how psychological factors drive these actions. And this is important because we can't create effective campaigns without knowing why people spread rumors. So our goal is to figure out these psychological drivers and help develop strategy to reduce the impact of misinformation. The second challenge is the role of social media platform. Apps like TikTok and WeChat made it super easy to spread misinformation. But we don't really understand how features like short video or private sharing make this problem worse. This is important because platforms are key to control information. If we can understand how they work, we can make better design and policies. Our goal is to explore this dilemma and provide recommendations for more effective governments. The third challenge is all about seeing the big picture. Different countries and the culture dealt with misinformation in their own way during pandemic. But we don't really understand how cultural and media difference affect the spread of rumors. This is important because a global problem like COVID-19 required strategies that work across diverse cultural contexts. Our goal is to spot patterns across countries and come up with solutions that can be used all over the world. Finally, let's talk about solutions. Strategies like fact-checking reminders have shown promise, but we don't know which methods works best for different groups or platforms. This is important because a one-size-fits-all approach often don't work. Our goal is to take and improve intervention to arrest awareness and improve media literacy, reducing harmful of misinformations. Taken together, these four challenges, rumor psychological, platform dynamic, cultural differences, and Tyler's interventions, show the complexity of COVID-19 misinformation. By addressing these gaps, we can make a real difference in fighting misinformation and building a more informed society. Now, onto the literature review. We analyzed 10 case studies on the spread of rumors, public behavior, and strategies to address misinformation. These studies fall into four main themes. First, spread and impact of misinformations. Burke and Ward 2021 developed a scheme to measure the effect of misinformation on behaviors like mask wearing. Benjamin et al. Explored how news and social media spread misconceptions, while Gao et al. 2023 analyzed the factors driving rumor sharing on social media. Song et al. 2021 examined rumor correction in China, and Drama Hagman 2022 studied anti-vaccine discourses on Twitter. However, most focus on COVID-19, with limited cross-cultural research and few insight into long-term effect. Second, public behavior and communication strategy. Ho et al. 2020 compare healthy communication strategies across countries, while Gao 2022 access China's government communications through WeChat. This study look how strategies shape behavior and analyze of misinformation's involved impact over time, and the role of emotion in design making. Third, a social media platform. Their campaign at War 2022 started vaccine misinformation traits on TikTok, while Wu 2023 analyzed meta-modem communication on the platform. They studied like researches on smaller platform, content difference across platform, and how users' behaviors amplify misinformations. Fourth, strategies and interventions. Pennycock et al. 2020 takes an accuracy nudge to curb information. However, the long-term effectiveness and real-world applicability of such interventions remain underexplored. This study reveals gaps in understanding cultural differences and psychological drivers and platform algorithms, highlight researchers in this area is crucial for study on spread of social media rumors during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
Hi guys, today I want to share four key insights on rumor spreading during the COVID-19 pandemic. This idea help us understand why misinformation spreads and how can we combat it. First, let's talk about psychological factors. People's emotions play a big role in trusting and sharing rumors. For example, feelings like fear and anxiety might make people more likely to believe and pass on misinformation. Others might share rumors to feel connected or a part of the group. Next, we have platform dynamics. Social media apps like TikTok and Twitter have a unique design and either amplify or reduce the spread of rumors. Features like trending hashtag can make misinformation spread faster, often makes false information seem more credible and appealing. Third, there's a role of cross-cultural comparisons. How people respond to rumors can vary depending on their culture and national backgrounds. Research comparing countries has shown that public awareness and the strategy to find misinformation are different around the world. These studies help identify what works best in the different contexts. Finally, let's discuss the intervention strategies. Tools like fact-checking labs or accuracy notes can help in slowing down the spread of false information, but not every method works for everyone. Tailored strategies designed for specific groups or platforms are essential to improve misinformation control. In summary, solving misinformation requires understanding emotions, platform features, cultural difference, and target interventions. By combining these insights, we can tackle rumors more effectively in the future.
Hello everyone, the following are our research objectives. Our study aims to explore the spread and impact of rumors on social media during the COVID-19 pandemic. The specific research objectives are as follows. First, to identify and categorize the different types of rumors on social media related to the COVID-19 pandemic, including false information about prevention measures, virus origins, and treatments. Second, to analyze the spread paths and the characteristics of these rumors, focusing on how they spread across different platforms, their speed, reach, and the characteristics of their audience. Third, to assess the specific psychologies and the behavioral impacts of these rumors on the public, including how they affect people's understanding of the pandemic, their emotional responses, and their behaviors. Fourth, to examine the effectiveness of the counter-rumor measures implemented by social media platforms and the relevant institutions, especially information fact-checking, labeling false content, and content removal. Finally, based on the findings, to propose practical suggestions for improving social media rumor governance. Through this objectiveness, this study will provide a comprehensive analysis and empirical support for understanding the identification, spread, impact, and governance of social media rumors during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, let me outline our research objectives. Our research objectives are based on the SMART principles and include the following. Objectives 1. In identify and classify types of social media rumors during the COVID-19 pandemic. We aim to use content analysis to systematically categorize common rumor types. These may include misleading medical information, false policy announcements, and privacy attacks. Categorizing rumors will help us uncover their themes and lay a solid foundations for further study. Objective 2. Analyze the spread and the patterns of social media rumors. Using social network analysis tools, we will trace how rumors spread. We will study their speed, range, and main channels. This will help identify key spreaders, such as opinion leaders or popular accounts, as well as the characteristics of their audience. And objective 3. Assess the impact of rumors on public psychology and behavior. Through surveys and interviews, we will explore how rumors affect public perception of risk, proactive behavior, and psychological states like anxiety and fear. We aim to quantify these effects and provide data to support intervention strategies. And objective 4. Evaluate the effectiveness of anti-rumor measures. We will assess the impact of efforts by governments, social media platforms, and community groups to counter rumors. This action might include debunking false information, restricting rumor spread, and so on. By comparing cases and data, we will identify strengths and gaps in current approaches. Objective 5. Propose actionable recommendations and for rumor governance. Finally, based on our findings, we will offer practical suggestions. This may involve improving public media literacy, including smart rumor detection system and optimizing content management mechanisms or social platforms to better control misinformation.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you about our research on the spread of social media rumors during the COVID-19 pandemic. This study used a hybrid approach, combining quantitative and qualitative methods, and the study design included content analysis, social network analysis, and questionnaires to further understand this phenomenon. The triangulation method improves the reliability of results. We collect data in 3 ways. Social media data: collect data from Twitter, WeChat, TikTok, and other platforms using keywords such as anti-vax and COVID-19 hoax, and achieve real-time collection through Python tools. Question data: use surveys to learn how people see rumors, how much they trust them, and how rumors change their actions. The survey will be shared online to include different types of people. News and official information: study news and government health messages and compare them with social media to see how they affect what people think. We chose posts, users, and articles using target sampling. Questionnaires: we used random sampling in groups, and the sample size was decided by a statistical method to get useful results. Content: use in vivo software to find themes and patterns in social media posts. Social network analysis: use G5 to show how rumors spread and measure the impact of key people sharing them. Statistical analysis: use SPSS and AMCS to study survey data and understand how rumors affect behavior. Multimodal analysis: study tests and merges in TikTok videos and WeChat posts to see how they work together to spread rumors. The results are reliable because we use different data sources and check them in different ways. Questionnaires data first, and several people review the content analysis to keep it consistent. We strictly follow ethics and protect privacy. The study will follow GDPR and other data protection rules. There are some limitations to our study. For example, not everyone uses social media, and questionnaires responses may not be entirely accurate, but diverse data sources help us improve the quality of our research. Overall, this research helps us understand how rumors spread and how to stop them. Thank you.